Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will check, clean and show you about the following vehicles here. So now I have to put some water so we can see some parts of any car. Okay, I bring one. Super motorbike shoot color. This is my favorite color, my favorite super motorbike. Do you love this one? If you love this one, please write down. Okay, let's move to another one. Mobil Truk, Indonesian language. A nice truck. Okay, let's go to another one. A forklift. A forklift, everybody. A forklift. We can use this one at any factory. Okay, next one. A cement mixer truck. Very nice cement mixer truck. A mini cement mixer truck. Shoot color. Mobil Tanki, Indonesian language. Tank truck. Another one. Iron Man, mini Iron Man. My hero, mini Iron Man. Logistic truck. There are two containers, blue one and green one. Very nice. Now check another one, everybody. 4 wheels super motorbike. 4 wheels super motorbike. Okay, next one. I don't know his name, this hero. If you know, please write down. Let's move to another interesting vehicle. Iron Man, red Iron Man. Another one, everybody. Monster truck, my cute monster truck number 33. This is my favorite car, my favorite truck. Okay, now check another one. Mini airplane. Nice, mini airplane. How about this one? Police car, yellow color. Police car, yellow color. Yellow bus. A hero. A sheer hero. Supercar. Everyone, I should finish my video. If you love my video, please write down. Click a like button and subscribe to my channel. So now, thank you for watching. See you next time. Goodbye. Good luck.